Hello guys, I am Praveen Kumar V from Third Sem BCA. Today I am going to talk about Banker's algorithm. Before that we have to know what is deadlock and deadlock avoidance. Let's move on to the definition of the deadlock. Let's see guys, what is deadlock and definition of deadlock. Deadlock exists among a set of processes if every process is waiting for an event. This event can be caused only by another process in the set event is the acquire of release of another resources. So a deadlock is a situation in which process is set of process is waiting for an event. Since all the processes are waiting in the system and none of them can make any progress. The systems enters a into deadlock condition. So Khan's 20th century law, when two trains approach each other at a crossing, both shall come to full stop and neither shall start up again until the other has gone. So he has taken one example: when two trains approach each other at a crossing, both shall come to full stop and neither shall start up again until the other has gone. So he has taken one example as train tracks. So next, what is deadlock is doing in these examples? So a set of block process, each holding a resource and waiting to acquire a resource held by another process in the set. Example: hardware resources. System has two tape drivers, P1 and P2, each hold one tape drive, and each needs another one. Example: software resource. And another example is semaphores, and A and B initialized to 1. Semaphore as with non-negative integer, it has initialized non-negative in um, integer values. So next is semaphores P0 and P1. This is wait signals. So initially it is vice versa of semaphores. So next is deadlock in OS. So this is the block diagram of deadlock in operating system. To thread has a lock and resource 1 but requires resource 2 for finishing execution. So resource 1 uh, is waiting. Resource 1 going to T1 thread has lock and resource 2 but requires resource 1 for finishing execution. It requires to resource 2 waits for resource 1 execution to T1. Next is four conditions for deadlock, necessary conditions for deadlock to exist. They had given for deadlock to execute as to, for four conditions. Mutual exclusion. Mutual exclusion means only one process can cause resource at a time. If another process requests the same resource, the request process must wait until the response has been released. So has to be at least one resource has to be released in the mutual exclusion. Next, hold and wait means there exists process holding a resource waiting for another process. So it will hold it is to hold resource already allocated while it waiting for acquire held by another resources. No preemption. No preemption means cannot be preempted. Resource cannot be preempted. That is, a resource can be released voluntarily by the process holding it only after it has completed its task. So resources cannot be forcefully taken from a process. It cannot be permitted before the resource has to be completed. Next is circular wait. This exists set of process P1, P2, Pn such that is waiting for P2 for P3 and Pn for P1. So it is in a circular way for the resources. Next is real world example for deadlocks. A truck has to wait a truck to move, not deallocated. So he has to wait before the second one has to be cross the road or cross the vehicle. He has to wait. Example take A vehicle has to wait to B vehicle so that it will after that B vehicle has to after B vehicle is moved A vehicle has a place to move to the resources. Next is let's time this is before we are going to talk Banker's algorithm. So deadlock is deadlock is main important. So the after the deadlock, the one Banker's algorithm has introduced by one scientist. So Banker's algorithm is a deadlock avoidance algorithm. Each process must priori count its maximum use. It must declare the maximum number of instances of each resources that it may need. The number may not exceed total number of resources. When a process requests a resource, it may have to wait. When a process gets all its resources, it must return them in a finite number of time. So he has developed Dikshetra. The name has chosen because the algorithm used in banking system to that never allocated its available cash in such a way so no longer satisfy the needs for all its customers. So the Bankel's algorithm contains two parts. One is resource request and safety algorithm. Resource request is not necessary or not important. So to complete the Banker's algorithm, safety algorithm is required. So data structures for the Banker's algorithm is available, maximum, allocation, need. Available vector of a letter. So j is equal to k. So there are k instances of resource type rj available. Maximum n into m matrix. If max ij is equal to k, then process pi may request at most k instances as a resource type rj. Allocation n into m matrix. If allocation ij is equal to k, then pi is currently allocated to k instance. Need n into m. If need ij is equal to k, then pi may need k more instance for rj of rj to complete its task. So at last they had proved need ij is equal to max ij minus allocation ij. So safety algorithm, it has for proving the Banker's algorithm, safety they had used for safety algorithm to come. The process has to come in a sequence. So let work and finished be vectors of length m into n respectively. Work is equal to available, finish I, false for I 0 to 1 n minus 1. Find an index in I such that both finish I. If need is less than or equal to work, if so such that I exist, go to step 4. So if it is true, it will go for work is equal to work plus allocation. If it is false, else it go out of the loop. So if finish I true for all I, the system is in a same state. So this is the problem. Need is equal to maximum need minus allocation. We had called as this is formula for Banker's algorithm. So they had given in a question instance a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 7. So this is the question for the problem, and let's move to the video. So it will clearly understanding, and easily we can cope up and understand. So friends, let's move on to the problem. Consider a system with 5 processors P0 through P4, 3 resources types A, B, C. An instance has given A has 10 instances and B has 5 instances and C has 7 instances. They had given 5 processors and current allocation and maximum requirement available in the system. In the question they will give the available in the system, and we have to find the need. So the formula has given us need is equal to maximum need minus allocation. So this is the formula. Need is equal to maximum in minus allocation. So based on the formula, we have to find the need. So let's see what is need. So 0 minus 7 minus 0 is 7. So 1 minus 5 is 4. 0 minus 3 is 3. 7, 4, 3. So next step, 3 minus 2 is 1. Next of 0 minus 2 is 2. 0 minus 2 is 2. Next, 9 minus 3 is 6. Next, 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Next, 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 2 is 1. Next, 1 minus 2 is 1. So, 4 minus 0 is 4. 3 minus 0 is 3. Next, 3 minus 2 is 1. So actually we had found the need all the answers. So let's see the what is available in the system. Available in the system. So we have to find need is it is in to less than or equal to work. So need has given 743. Work has um, 332. So we have to see single number. We, we have to see single number, so we should not take 743 and 332, because they had given in the single number 332. So we have to take 332. So 743 is lesser than 332. See here, 7 is not less than 3, and 4 is not less than 3, and 3 is not less than 3. So it is cancels, false. Okay. Next, the conditions fails. Next condition is 1 2 2, 1 2 2. Next is 3 3 2. So 1 is less than 3, true. 2 is less than 3, 2. 2 is less than 2, 2. So less than or equal to 2. So it becomes false, true. So if it is true, this is the condition. Work is equal to work plus allocation. So work is it is true. Work is what is work is 322 plus 200. So work is 332 plus allocation is given as 200. So we have to total it. 5 3 plus 2 5, sorry 3 532. So the available system is 532. So this is becomes, now it is current state. So next condition is so next condition is, before going to next condition, we have to save the safe sequence. So the first safe sequence is P1. So next step is uh, now it is the current state 532. So need is less than or equal to work. So need is 532 less than or equal to 600. So it is false. 5 is not less than 6, 0 is not less than 3, and 2 is not less than 0. The condition false. The condition remains, the current state remains same. Again, P2 also cancels. Next, P3. P3 is given as 0 1 1, 532 less than or 0 1 1. So 5 is greater lesser than or equal to 0. Next, uh, 3 is lesser than 1. Next is yes, 2 is lesser than 1. So guys, it becomes true. 532 is less than 0 double 1. So work is equal to workplace allocation. So work is 532 plus, here they are given the same line 211. So 211. So 5 plus 2 7, 3 plus 1 4, 3. So now the current state is available in the system is 7 4 3. So P2 P3 is in safe sequence. So now it is the current available in the system 743. Next P4. Let's see in the P4. P4 is need is equal to need is less than work. So need is 431 is less than 743. So 4 is less than not 4 is less than 7, 3 is less than 1 is less than 4. So it is safe sequence. So 7 work is equal to work is equal to work plus sorry work is equal to work plus allocation. So work is 743 plus allocation is 0 0 2. So 745. So it is also becomes the true. So this, now it is 745. It is new available current state. So P4 is also entered in safe sequence. The rest is P0 and P2. So we have to find now we have to pending is P0 and P2. We have to find P0 first one. So now the available state is 743. So 743 is available in the state. 743 is less than 743 is less than 0 sorry sir. So guys, let's move on to the which is not in safe state. P0 and P2 is not in safe state. Rest of P1 and P3 P4 are in safe state. So we have to find P0 and P0 and P2. So P0 is 743 and is less than current allocation is 745. So 7 is lesser than or equal to 7. So 4 is lesser than 4 and 3 is lesser than is condition becomes true. So work is equal to work is equal to workplace allocation. So work is 010 plus current allocation is available in the system is 745. So 755. So this is the current available in the system. The next P0. Next we have to next is P2 is P2. We have to take P2's values. Next is P2 is 600 lesser than the current is 7 double 5. Yes, it is 6 is less than or 0. Yes, the 0 is less than or 5 and 0 is less than or 5. So the condition becomes true. So workplace allocation is uh, work is equal to workplace allocation. The same formula where we used as 0 1 plus 7 4 5 and 7 4 5 uh, 0 0 sorry uh, 302 plus 7 4 7 double 5. So 10 5 7. So we got the same instance answer which they had given in the question. So they had successfully solved by using the Banker's algorithm. So it's all came in safe state. First it P1 has safe state and P3 P4 and sorry P2 P1, P3, P4, P0, P2 came in the same state, which is not in order. So the Banker's algorithm solved successfully. So thank you friends for watching for my wonderful information. So I hope it's clearly understand and it will helpful for another students also. So once again, thank you friends.